What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. Today, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, we doing a quick mod today, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we got my boy.
This bitch him, folks. Whoever made this, need that shit. Hey,
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You fat as hell, bro. You fat too. And the fucked up part, y'all didn't bring me none. That's crazy. Hey, y'all, today, man, my boy AJ let me buy his SRT LED light.
Hi,
nigga.
how are you?
Pretty good, thanks, bro.
Oh, okay.
But shit, got my boy Tay, man. Finna install this motherfucker. Do it work, bro?
I hope so.
That'd be crazy.
If I install this shit in and it don't work, bro, you gotta do something.
Strange.
What do you mean by that?
So everything we need to install this, y'all, we need some little tape, electric tape, and then what the hell is that other piece called? And this. I don't know what this called. I got this from O'Reilly's. Battery tender. What's this even do?
Shit, I don't know.
You need it though. I'm up badging and I don't give a fuck. Bro, you got shit all on your... Bro, clean your fucking mouth.
Can I eat?
Bro, clean your mouth, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit. Is that an Oreo apple?
On my roll.
I ain't gonna lie, that low key. It's called.
This bitch hit.
Let me get a bite.
Huh. Right here, at the bottom, folks.
No, I ain't biting that. I don't know where your mouth is.
I'm saying you want to break that bitch off?
You be eating ass too, huh?
No.
Hey guys, we have the masonry piece right here. We're going to connect these two right there. Those are the pieces that you mainly need. We're going to connect it right here. Now, guys, now look. Dog always talks about me not having an SRT. He says it's a scat pack. Guys, what is this? 5.7. I don't know why he put this badge in there.
I'm badging, and I don't give a fuck. Y'all don't get on me in the
guys,
content, bro.
Spam in a comment.
Hey, bro, look.
Up badger.
We swapping in the future though, so we just getting this shit out the way, bro. We just getting ready. That's all we doing, bro.
Put a 6'1" in there, not a 6'2".
Wait, no, we're not.
Oh.
Yeah, definitely going 6'2".
5.0 Mustang?
Yeah, fuck it. We can do that for sure.
Okay.
Let's swap.
Type shit.
Hell yeah, that's hard. Where your shit at, bro?
Okay, I don't know what's the next.
Bro, let me get your chain so I can get a cat, bro. Right there, I can get a cat. Let me have it. Come on, bro. Let me have it, bro. Put it on me, bro. I feel like a bad bitch.
Hey, yo, what the Can I wear your chain? 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 Can I wear your chain?
It's not okay. How old are you, bro? 25?
Where's the bust down watch it?
29?
Well, I had this shit on last night.
How did
That shit real, bro?
What?
Let me
Diamond
bitch.
tester.
Okay. Hey, Chad, let me know if I need to get a chain, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit heavy. I don't like this all on my neck. I like my neck loose. I like that nigga, bro.
I ain't let you fuck. That was not me.
Bro, so who the fuck was it?
That was not me.
Who was it?
I don't know. Somebody just said this shit.
Casper the fucking ghost, bro. What up? We gotta do, Tay, man.
Shit, we finna goddamn screw this bitch in right here. Run this little wire over here. Do the 1, 2 like this on this terminal, and then this one go like that.
Is it long enough, though,
Yep, barely.
Cool. Say look.
I started to put it on my Jeep and say not give it to you, but I'm like,
Fucked up, G.
Damn, it's hot.
Hot as fuck. I'm talking about every time I think about it, somebody say it out loud. I swear to God. So yeah, we got it hooked on top, right, y'all?
take that off.
But we can't reach the other side of that bitch. So y'all, we trying to screw these bolts on the right end, but our hands can't fit over there, bro. So we got to take the bumper off so we can goddamn screw that shit on, man. Okay, AJ fault.
Can you get it from the bottom?
Whole time.
Like, can you?
Whole time, like you can.
He might have been on to something. If we put it at the bottom.
Shit, can you reach there?
Yeah, it should be right there.
Oh yeah,
He
yeah.
already passed.
You want to put that bitch right here? You want it up top?
Yeah, I want it at the top. Don't everybody do up top?
It depends on
Nah,
I put
motherfuckers.
mine at the bottom.
Motherfuckers or
That's me, though.
Yeah, AJ real nigga saving us time. For sure.
The washer go first.
And the crazy thing, my
plate, washer, and then the.
my front shield just came on, so that's perfect.
That nigga SRT AJ, man.
Real nigga, no cap.
No, I got it.
Shit, I'll buy you ice cream cone, nigga.
Eyelids burning right now, nigga. Hold up.
They ain't never gave me a ticket,
Nigga, I
though.
had my
Nah,
motherfucking
they
temp.
ain't giving me no.
You gravy!
Yeah, talk. Oh,
Now,
God.
the only problem is if the light don't turn on, we gotta do this backwards. That's all. So we have to take this tape off and redo it backwards because it might not be right. But other than that, everything should be right.
Niggas always fucking shit up, man. Can't just make it simple for a nigga, bro.
It was simple.
Damn, bro.
I unhooked it, so I don't know which way it's supposed to go.
But yeah, man, we hooked that thing on. We got the first step done, y'all. So we didn't have to take the bump off. We just had to do it from the bottom. Now we about to wire this bitch up. I ain't doing shit. Y'all just finna watch these niggas do this shit. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga Tay got it, man.
But for right now, we gonna have to
See if
tape it
the
down.
hood closed. Put it right here.
It should. Yeah, it should flap.
Without goddamn crushing.
Nigga, let it down. Don't be scared. Well, it closes, and let's see if it's broke.
That'd be so fucked up.
All right, step one is accomplished.
That one is accomplished, man. It looked good. What I'm gonna do red? No, I'm gonna do
Low
blue.
key, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I could have did this.
You really could. You
I'm
bullshit.
just a lazy ass.
And I remember talking to you like last year about it, bro. Ain't never put it
for
on.
2 years. I didn't have it for about 2 years, though.
And didn't put it on.
Never put it on.
Niggas. I thought that was the pliers making that noise. Oh shit.
I didn't know if it was gonna spark or not. I was like, shit.
Close just almost killed yourself.
So unhook the battery because this nigga almost blew itself up. God damn.
All right, guys.
Do what it say. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, you got it.
All right, let's try this again. I hate scammers.
They is ass. I ain't gonna lie, they is. Scatty batty.
Y'all niggas thirsty,
What you got, cuz?
Hell yeah, what you got?
Cause look, this nigga Trey.
Hey, where Trey
Trey
at?
keep leaving, saying he going to quick trip.
I ain't gonna lie, that was like 30 minutes ago too, bro.
Bro, I'm done fucking with dude.
Last year, that motherfucker right there.
I mean, quick your literally.
Literally right there, bro.
I'm gonna
What
look
the
at his
fuck?
location. This gonna say that nigga back on the
I'm so thirsty as fuck.
We just gave him a free $6, huh?
Now you gave him more than that. Didn't you get more than ones? Oh, you only gave some. Oh. So once you hook it, man, run that shit here.
Y'all niggas want, there you go. Y'all want some like fountain.
What's the app called? I gotta download the app.
Want to do a comparison video?
Wait, why you have to take this one off?
For your ground.
Oh, okay. So I hope y'all watching, man, because I don't know what's going on. Shit, Tommy threw it, Tay, because I don't know what's going on.
Now we just putting the ground wire.
Putting the ground wire on, okay.
Now, screw this motherfucker back in there. Shit. You in the game, son.
Simple. That easy? Sheesh. Now we gotta see if it worked. AJ. Damn, so we done already? Sheesh, quick. So that's all it was, y'all. I'ma just tell y'all real quick again, man. You put the placement where you wanted to place. Got it out there, put the screws in the back and shit. Run the wires through here. Had to duct tape these together. Electric tape, get you electric tape. That's all, the only two things we need, 13 millimeter. You know what I'm saying? Some ring terminals, some electric tape. Got that bitch running through. Cool.
We're gonna make this shit a little neater in here.
What's that?
Yeah, we done.
Done, simple, real nigga, bro. Real nigga. Black people. Oh, wait.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Hook the battery back up.
Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, show forgot. Where my drink at, bro? But like, I ain't realize. Oh, damn, I want the Sprite now, bro.
And that Weddington dude bring his own stuff there.
God damn, this almost as good as pussy. Damn, bro, deep throat ass. Comment y'all favorite Gatorade. What's your? You like that cucumber shit? You sick fuck. You sick as fuck. So we got everything hooked up, y'all, man. Now we just got the app. You know what I'm saying? We can check. It's daytime, so y'all can't see it. So I ain't gonna lie, we gonna record later tonight. And I'm gonna let y'all see that it worked, man. But this is on. Can I see that motherfucker? Yeah, you can see a little bit. It's orange.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, let me check.
I'm hating. I'm hating.
Oh, yo. Y'all see it work a little bit?
Can I get it back?
Shitty boys. Bro,
Bye, guys. I'm going.
tripping, bro. Shout out to my guy Tay, man. It's only took like, what, 30 minutes?
Could have been less.
Could have been less if we didn't have to go make the trip. But put it where you want on the grill. Run the wires through here. And then, you know what I'm saying? Got to put the positive and the negative charge. We almost done. And we just got to swap. I just got to swipe the motor. I just need to swap it. I'm Gucci, y'all.
I can get him a 392 today.
I want a cat,
He
bro.
wants to.
Go bigger, but yeah.
It's a dog. It needs to bark.
No,
Why are you trying to make it? It's not a cat. It's a dog.
I can make a cat bark.
Type
shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't do no work, but I showed y'all how they did it, goddamn, man. So comment 1 through 10 how it look all together, bro. I really like it, bro. Now I got something on my front bumper. And it don't look plain no more, bro. It look clean as hell now, bro. So, boy, Taste Scat Pet, clean, man. Make sure y'all go follow my guy, bro. Follow my guy, man. No bullshit, man. Shout out my boy Tay, man. But shit, we out this bit. We finna go to a legal pit. I'm gonna record that, man. And I'll see y'all next video, bro.
3 hours later.
All right, YouTube, it is now nighttime, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the Chrysler 300, we parked and everything like that, bro. We got the app open, man. Y'all see the SRT badge, bro, the LED badge, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, let's see if it really, you know what I'm saying, how I look at nighttime, bro, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what color we got on right now. All right, that look like an orange color, bro. So we finna turn this on. That bitch hard. That bitch hard, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Let's change the color. We finna go to green. You gotta get that money. Oh no, hold on. That's like a turquoise. Hold on. Got that green joint. Oh my God, that's hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm excited right now. I ain't gonna lie. This is so clean, bro. We got the purple. You know what I'm saying? Go to red or orange, like an orange. Ain't gonna lie. That's clean right there. That little orange right there, bro. Hold on. Can we do red? Hold on. Get that red joint. Oh my God, bro. That thing looking beautiful as hell, bro. I'm rocking with that heavy as hell, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Styles. Hold on. Speed. Oh, they got a flash. Ain't gonna lie. It's a whole bunch of settings we can do, bro. It's hella settings we can do, bro. White gradual change. That's clean as hell. Shoot, I ain't gonna lie. It's a whole bunch we can do, y'all. This thing look tough as hell. I ain't gonna lie. That blue goes crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That blue might be the one, y'all. That is clean as hell at nighttime, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This is a W purchase, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. W purchase. Shout out to my guy, AJ, man. I ain't gonna lie. This thing look tough as hell at nighttime, bro. Y'all rate this 1 through 10, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Clean as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That purple low-key goes stupid. That purple goes stew, y'all. I don't know. That shit's tough as fuck, though. YouTube, I need y'all in the comment section. Rate this 1 through 10, bro. You know what I'm saying? How tough this looks, bro, on the Chrysler 300, bro. That thing looks sweet now, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I think we got all the mods we need. We got all the badges. We got the rims. We got the hood. Now we just need a swap, bro. We just need a quick swap. And this thing is official. I'm gonna wrap it after I get my swap, bro. We're gonna wrap this thing once I get the swap done and everything like that, bro. I'm rocking with it. The white look good with it too, bro. The white look crazy with it too, man. But hey, man, I appreciate everybody for the support y'all been giving your boy, man. We about to hit 3,000 subscribers. I think we have 2.9K. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. Spread the channel. We about to hit 3K, bro. Hey, I already told you at 5K, man, we gonna get the wrap on the Chrysler 300. Y'all let me know what wrap I should do in my Instagram DMs, bro. But this mod is a pure W, bro. I love this mod, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. This make the car look tough as hell now, bro. And the picture's gonna be tough as hell too, bro. So I'm really excited, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. But hey, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. More videos dropping soon, man. Make sure you got your noties on, man. Hey, man, y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And we out this thing, man. Peace.